From the beginning, Hongfa has built independent capabilities to produce major parts and molds in-house. With the company's rapid growth, several supporting service bases have been established, including Xiamen Jinyue, Hongfa Molds, etc. These facilities continue to enhance capabilities in molds, plastic injection, stamping, electroplating, and heading. These processes encompass various technologies and manufacturing capabilities. Our front-end subsidiaries occupy over 210,000 square meters, with more than 980 sets of major equipment, totaling assets of $28.4 million. Annually, they produce 1,800 sets of molds and 35 billion parts, maintaining leading levels in process technology and production capacity. Guided by lean management principles, we promote the deep integration of production automation and operational digitization. Since 2014, we have implemented the MES system, enhancing the integration and efficiency of our information application systems. This establishes a comprehensive operational management platform that supports efficient collaboration across the entire business value chain, setting industry benchmarks. We have established a quality standard management system, aiming for zero defects through advanced planning, stable production, continuous improvement, and various advanced detection methods.
我们要创国际品牌数百年红发，就一定要重视铁道的建设，这是最重要的基础。
Looking forward, our subsidiaries associated with Frontend processes will remain committed to their mission, striving to provide high-quality molds and parts, supporting Hongfa's path to winning through quality, and fortifying the foundation for a century of Hongfa success.